Okay, y'all, I'm back. Like I said I was gonna be, and I already did half of my hair. Started my wand curls, and they is looking about perfect. And I kind of did them a little bigger, and I'm not gonna separate them because if you shake your hair like this, they kind of separate themselves. So I'm just about to do this side and show y'all my finished results. It's very easy. I don't add any extra heat protectant because before I blow dry my hair, like I heat protected my hair all the way up, like all the way. So I'm just about to wand curl it, and that's all. I don't add no extra product, nothing. Okay, and this is like about the section I'm using in the back at least, and then towards the front I let them get a little more chunkier. I just don't want to make them too chunky in the back because my chunky ones I got to get close to the scalp, and I'm not trying to burn my neck. And I have my fan on, so that way I'm kind of like cooling off my hair at the same time I'm putting heat on it, if that makes sense. If you ever like watch your stylist and she flat irons your hair, she'll be like blowing on your hair to kind of lessen the heat that she put on it. So I just got my fan on to kind of cool down my hair along with the heat that's about to go on it. So if that makes sense, I hope it does. So I'm just gonna make sure I have no tangles. You done burn your fingers. I done burnt my neck and fingers enough, okay? I should be a pro at this by now. And I literally hold it for like maybe 10 seconds. And it gives me a bomb curl. Well, I hope I didn't burn my nail. We still good. Okay, so I just do that for the rest of my hair. Very easy. Okay guys, so this is my hair after I'm done wine curling it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to make sure that it stays moisturized, especially on my ends. And I'm massage my scalp a little bit, because honestly that helps to loosen them up a little. That's why I was shaking them. Now I gotta get them edges right. And this is like my favorite edge control. It don't, because some of them is like they too wet to where it start poofing up my hair, but this like slicks it down, because Eco Styler like poofs up my hair. So I have to add this on top of my Eco Styler to make sure it's like holds. Okay y'all, so I got them edges laid, curls is popping, and yeah, this is my finished look. My wand curls, I don't know how to get them to last literally more than like a couple days, because I sleep wild. I don't know, and I don't do this, like I don't redo it every day. So the second day they kind of like fall, and the third day they just look crazy. So if I come up with a way to help them last at least a week, I'm gonna let y'all know. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Leave some comments on some videos you would like to see me do, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next video.